Welcome, adventurers of the mind and soul. Today we embark on a transformative journey, a step-by-step guide to awakening Kundalini and activating the pineal gland. Join us as we unlock the mysteries of inner alchemy and illuminate the path to higher consciousness. Let's dive in. We're going to start off with detailed instructions on the steps needed to execute the activation of the Kundalini. The time it takes you to achieve it will differentiate from person to person, but stay consistent and you will achieve this life-changing event without a doubt. Dr. Joe Dispenza's method for Kundalini awakening is a comprehensive approach that incorporates various techniques to facilitate the rising of Kundalini energy along the spine. Here's a more detailed overview of his specific method, focusing on awakening the Kundalini serpent and guiding it to travel up the spine. Preparation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself and bring your awareness into the present moment. Settle into a comfortable meditation posture with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Breath work. Engage in rhythmic breathing, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Focus on creating a smooth and steady rhythm of breath, allowing each inhalation to fill your lungs completely and each exhalation to release tension and stress from your body. As you continue with rhythmic breathing, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, where the first chakra, known as the root chakra, is located. Visualization. Visualize a vibrant red energy center at the base of your spine, representing the root chakra. Imagine a coiled serpent, symbolizing the Kundalini energy, lying dormant at the base of your spine. With each breath, visualize the serpent awakening from its slumber and beginning to stir, slowly uncoiling and rising upward through the center of your body. Chakra activation. As the Kundalini serpent begins to awaken, visualize it moving up through each of the 7 chakras along the spine, from the root chakra to the crown chakra at the top of your head. With each breath, imagine the serpent ascending higher and higher, activating and energizing each chakra as it passes through. Focus your attention on each chakra in turn, visualizing it opening and expanding as the Kundalini energy flows freely through it. Intention setting. Set a clear intention for your Kundalini awakening journey, whether it's healing, spiritual growth, or self-realization. Visualize yourself embodying your highest potential and aligning with the divine flow of life. Trust in the innate wisdom of your being and surrender to the process of awakening. Guided meditation. Practice guided meditation techniques designed to quiet the mind, expand awareness, and access higher states of consciousness. Follow along with guided visualizations, affirmations, and deep introspection to facilitate the awakening of Kundalini energy. Surrender and integration. Surrender to the experience of Kundalini awakening, allowing the energy to move freely through your body and consciousness. Trust in the process and remain open to whatever arises, whether it's feelings of bliss, clarity, or release. After the practice, take time to integrate the experience into your daily life, cultivating mindfulness, self-awareness, and conscious living. Consistently practice Dr. Joe Dispenza's method for Kundalini awakening to deepen your connection with your inner wisdom and expand your consciousness. Set aside dedicated time each day for meditation and breath work, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the transformative journey of awakening. By following these steps, practitioners can effectively awaken the Kundalini serpent and guide it to travel up the spine, activating and energizing each chakra along the way. This process can lead to profound states of inner peace, spiritual awakening, and alignment with one's highest purpose and potential in life. With focused intention and visualization, practitioners direct the Kundalini energy to penetrate the pineal gland, activating its latent potential. Visualize the energy swirling and pulsating within the pineal gland, awakening its dormant capacities and expanding your perception of reality. As the Kundalini energy reaches the pineal gland, practitioners may experience a profound eruption of consciousness, an opening of the third eye that allows for expanded perception, heightened intuition, and deeper spiritual insights. This moment is often described as a transcendent experience of unity and oneness with the universe. After the eruption of consciousness, practitioners are encouraged to surrender to the experience and allow the energy to integrate into their being. Trust in the process and remain open to whatever arises, whether it's feelings of bliss, clarity, or profound spiritual insights. Embrace the expanded awareness and heightened perception that comes with the activation of the pineal gland. As the Kundalini energy continues to flow through the pineal gland and throughout the body, practitioners may experience a deepening connection with higher states of consciousness. This alignment with higher consciousness can lead to greater clarity, wisdom, and alignment with one's highest purpose and potential in life. By guiding the Kundalini energy to flow into the pineal gland and facilitating its activation, practitioners can access heightened states of awareness, expanded perception, and profound spiritual insights. This aspect of Dr. Joe Dispenza's method is a key component of the journey of Kundalini awakening, leading to profound transformation and alignment with one's true essence.